Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well tonight. Today is what's oh it's does attraction marketing really work? And this is my review 2020. And if you don't know what attraction marketing is, just stick around. I'm gonna explain it all to you. And stick around to the end because I have something really cool that's going to help you, especially if you're a beginner, or you're kind of like you've got some branding down, but you want to take your business to the next level. I have something that's really cool for you that is 100% duplicatable. It doesn't require doing any recruiting. I know this sounds crazy, and doesn't actually even require your face or your body to be involved. It can later on, but to begin with, to actually see traction in it, it doesn't need anything. It's a truly automated system. So stick around. I'm going to show you that. All right. So does attraction marketing really? Oh, if you like videos on making money, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now hit it, ding, and the notification, and the bell. Ring the bell. As they say, ring the bell. All right. Attraction mark. Oh, we're gonna paint this wall, just so you know. So next time, I don't know if it'll be the next couple of videos. You'll see a whole different layout because my wife is going crazy on the office because she hates getting the ring light. She goes, I'm too small. The ring light shows up on me. Anyways, all right. Attraction marketing. What is attraction marketing? Attraction marketing is basically just building content that either attracts a customer that you're looking to sell to, or attracts a person that's looking for a business opportunity which you want to present to them. That's basically it. It's just creating content, that attracts the people that would be interested in your products. It's really that simple. Now, there's lots of components to it, and it does come with a certain personal branding, and you need to be a bit of an influencer in some ways, and that takes time to grow. You can't do it overnight. You just don't go, I'm going to be an attraction marketing expert and have a gigantic team the next day. It takes time. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of building content. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't do that, because that is best practices of marketing, is branding yourself. But guys, it's actually not that duplicatable. Like, I've built huge teams of people that don't want to do, like, they want to do attraction marketing, but they don't want to brand themselves. They don't want to, they're really comfortable just belonging to the group and doing their thing, and you're kind of going, well, come on, you want to be successful, you got to do more. Whoa, that's out of my comfort zone. Guys, seriously, 90% of people don't want to get out of their comfort zone. They want everything that you achieve when you leave your comfort zone, but they don't want to actually step out of it. And that's why attraction marketing, if you're trying to build an entire network marketing team, or an affiliate marketing, like a matrix, or anything, and you're trying to get it like a team together to build, you have to remember, attraction marketing isn't that duplicatable. You actually need a system that people can really just plug into and get results without having to personally brand themselves, create a lot of content, create videos or anything like that, because 90% of the people don't want to do that. They once they start seeing success, can they change? Absolutely. And that's the goal, is to slowly bring them out of their shell in order to do that. But what happens is people go, attraction marketing, you gotta do attraction marketing. Oh, you joined, now create this, right? And all of a sudden, the people don't have any success because they have no influence, right? They haven't built up a repertoire of content. They don't have a catalog of people checking them out. They don't have people like woohooing them, right? So that stuff takes a long time. And I'm not saying don't do that. I recommend doing that. But at the same time, you have to understand, as you're doing that, you're coming out of your comfort zone. Other people may not. So you want, and they still want to be part of the team. They still want to make money in the opportunity or whatever it is. But you have to give them a proven system. And if you're telling them to build attraction marketing content, a lot of them just won't do it. They'll get frustrated and they'll quit. So what you need is a proven system that basically, there's no face, right? There's no, I see my girls. There's no face. There's no recruiting. A lot of people are so afraid to talk to people. So why is that? The biggest thing that I have found, when I've asked people, is like, why don't you just reach out to them? They go, I haven't had a success, so I don't feel I can talk about success to someone until I have some sort of success. And that makes perfect sense. People don't want to be liars, right? And they don't want to try to kind of overinflate what they've done if they haven't done anything. So you need a system. And how does a system work? Systems are really easy, people. It's so easy, especially now with the internet. You don't need to go out and go into the mall and talk to people and all that kind of stuff. It's really simple. It's a matter of basically having a professionally built landing page that captures email addresses. And you're going, oh, email's dead, Glenn. No, it's not. Email marketing is not dead. Email is not dead. When you go to a store and buy something, they go, hey, do you want me to email your receipt? Yeah, you know why they want to email you their receipt? So they have your email address, because they want to market to you. With email now, guys, you can be so retargeted. Go open your Gmail right now and look at the top of your inbox. There's an ad. You've been retargeted on whatever you searched on Google. You've been retargeted for that person to go, I'm going to put an ad right in that person's email box, because they check their email every single day. People are still in their inbox. It's where we get our stuff. Yes, we're on social media, but we're still in our inboxes. So you need a professional landing page that anyone can use, that's not branded to them, but just that, so they don't have to worry about, oh, take a picture or do a video and all that stuff. And I do train, like, guys, if you want to really take it rocket, check out my number one recommended business below. That is marketing to the nth degree, where you are going to brand yourself. That's going to take you to Rockstar. Or check out the best networking product down below. That's all about personal branding and take. But you guys, be honest with yourself. Are you one of the 10% or even 5% that really are willing to do the work, to dig down and go, yeah, I'm going to do this? Are you willing to talk to 100, 150 people every single day on social media, trying to spread your message, trying to get the information that you have to them that's branded to you, so that they start knowing your name, the name recognition? Like, it takes a ton of work at first. So a proven system, you have a landing page that is generic to any type of business, right? Because you just want to get people onto your email list so you can start building a relationship with them, as opposed to attraction marketing. You want to start building a relationship with them so that they know who you are. So you start with building an email list, right? And then having an offer, and then having an offer that you can send them on a daily basis. And you might go, Dad, I don't want to email someone every day. This is what marketing's about, guys. This is what it's about. If you email your list once a week or once every 2 weeks, they will never know who you are. It will go into spam. They will never know who you are. Why you want to do it every day? This is the philosophy. If someone sees your emails going every day, and you're telling them, you're reaching out and like, hey, and by the way, if you sign up for any of my stuff, whitelist my email. Glen at workwithglenmurray.com. Make sure you whitelist that. Make sure it doesn't go into the spam folder. And you're going to be telling people that. But why you want to email them every day is that you want them to get used to you. You want them seeing your name over and over and over and over and over again. Because as you're creating that attraction marketing stuff out there, when you're building a list, they're going to stumble across your stuff and they're like, oh, hey, I get emails from that guy, or I get emails from that gal. I'm gonna let's check out what their day. That's what they look like, right? So you're still doing that stuff. The thing about the proven system is that you get a professional landing page, you get people to opt in, you send them deals, right? And you have an offer that people are looking for, like something in the generic education, right? So now, if you can do that, and there's one element I forgot. After that, you have the landing page, you have that, but how do you get people to opt in? Sorry, guys, you have to buy some traffic. That's reality. You can go, like I'm in the middle of, I do a ton of attraction marketing, and that still only makes up 10% of my traffic. The other 90% still, guys, comes from paid traffic. That's the reality. I would love to say, yes, I can get you all the free traffic in the world. It doesn't happen. Free traffic doesn't convert. You need to have good traffic. But you want to have good traffic going to a proven system that works. You don't want to just take good traffic and throw it at something you don't know works, especially if you're getting started. So what you want to do is you want to take really good traffic and put it at something that is really good, a proven system that is making money. That is what I have for you. It starts out with a $10 lifetime access mastermind tutorial. It's about 100 hours of training, guys, and it's upgoing. And you don't watch all the training at once. All you need to do, this is training for you to do over the next 90 days to watch. You don't need to watch it all in one time, right? It's not going to help you. What you need to do is the system has a fast start system, and anyone can do this. There's no personal branding involved. There's no attraction marketing involved. It is purely paid marketing that works. It truly, truly works. I've never seen anything convert as high and as fast as this traffic. All right. And here's the secret tip. I hope you guys have stuck around for this. We have a Facebook group that you need to be in. So go grab your $10 mastermind. That's the stepping stone to get into the whole system, right? And then basically join our Facebook group. Then go through the fast start guide and get set up. Now you're going to have a base for success. So once you start turning on this basically list building machine, it doesn't turn off, guys. You turn it on and you just keep pouring traffic into it. You order traffic. When that traffic runs out, you order more traffic. Because what you're going to be doing, you're going to be emailing these people every single day, and we will give you exactly what to email to them. We'll give you the first couple of weeks, right? But then after that, we're going to give you over 1,000 email templates that you can use and model and take headlines from and take stuff. And you just want to basically tell them about you, give them an offer of something to buy, and you will learn. And if you're struggling at all, that's where the Facebook group comes in. You just type in your question. No questions go unanswered. Everyone is in there to help. We have thousands of people in there now, and we're all there to help. So guys, click the link below, get started. And one more bonus. If you decide to do this system and you're going to go all in the system and you're like, Glenn, this is what I'm going to build for the next year to build my list so that I can go market anything I want, you need to get set up and then message me, and I'm going to add you to my team rotator, which means you're going to get free traffic, the highest quality traffic. I'm buying the same traffic as you're buying, right? And I'm going to give you some of my traffic is going to go directly to your link. All right, guys. So click the link below, get started, go all in. That's what I did. And then basically message me and let's get you having success. We'll build the attraction marketing elements as you're doing this, because what's so great about this system, it doesn't take any time. Once you set it up and you point traffic at it, there's no time involved. There's no other thing you have to be doing except working on your attraction marketing. And this is where you're going to see success, because you're going to see stuff in action. That's what you want. All right. Hopefully this is helpful, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, drop a comment too. Say, hey, Glenn, thanks a lot. That's cool. I like it. Cheers. Bye.